Every day, we brush our teeth, or at least I hope you do. But do we really think about the type of toothbrush we use and how it can impact our next dentist visit? Well, I'm here to tell you, I like how this toothbrush cleans my teeth, and even better, it saves me time. For me, it takes all the guesswork out of brushing. I honestly bought this toothbrush because of how unique it is, and also the backstory and how it came to be. Everyone can say they have a dentist-approved toothbrush, but not everyone can say that their toothbrush was developed by a dentist. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Included is a charging station, rechargeable handle with 3 brush modes and long battery life, 2 3-sided brush heads, one pink and one blue, informative instruction manual full of tips. It also comes with a 30-day no questions return policy and a 1-year warranty. Let me show you how it works. Let's fire it up. Triple Bristle has 3 brushing modes and a 2-minute timer. Using more than 31,000 vibrations per minute, the bristles get to those hard-to-reach places, especially in the back of your mouth. The brush head is also safe for braces, veneers, implants, and dentures. The Triple Bristle will change the way you brush and brighten your smile. Get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.
Sonic Toothbrush. Innovative patent, full-wrapped brush head, blind area for easy tooth cleaning. Edible grade antibacterial soft gel. Soft and skin-friendly. New generation of 3D high-frequency sound waves. Multi-angle water flow hedges strong stains. Quickly white teeth. 4 kinds of teeth cleaning mode allow you to enjoy dental level oral care. IPX7, deep waterproof, wash casually. Wireless induction, charging is so convenient. Fully wrapped 3D Sonic Toothbrush.
Unlike ordinary flat, one-sided toothbrushes, Brilliant brushes address multiple surfaces at once, reaching the tooth, the gums, the cheek, and the tongue simultaneously. Start by wetting the brush with a little bit of warm water. This makes the bristles nice and soft. Then, if you would like, you can choose to use a little bit of paste or gel. Then put the brush in the mouth. Using small back and forth strokes, brush 1 to 2 teeth at a time. Follow this pattern throughout the whole mouth, being sure to reach every tooth surface, the front, the back, the sides. When you get to the front teeth, invert the brush vertically. This allows you to reach the back side of the front teeth the most effectively. When finished, rinse thoroughly. If any residue or debris has been trapped in the bristles, use a clean thumb and apply just a little bit of pressure to the brush head. Be sure to thoroughly air dry, preferably up and away from the potential contamination hazards in the bathroom. Underneath the sink or up in a cabinet work really well. Always directly supervise brushing for children. This means that you're performing all, if not most, of the oral care for them. Direct supervision means that you have eyes on them at all times. This helps prevent children from accidentally hurting themselves from possibly biting, chewing, or gnawing on a toothbrush. Bristle toothbrushes should never be chewed or teethed on. The bristles can pierce the gum and cause painful ulcerations. Can also damage the teeth and damage or break the toothbrush. Direct supervision is required. If a child is unable to resist the urge to chew excessively on a brush, the next best recourse is to switch them to a chewable silicone-based toothbrush. As a rule to fall, if any person can't successfully tie their own shoes, they lack the needed dexterity that's required to effectively brush their own teeth. Therefore, they will require direct supervision and help. For older children who have grasped their own independent oral care routine, indirect supervision is appropriate, but supervision is still required. Indirect supervision is when they are doing their own oral care and you are checking them for accuracy. A lot of times, older kids will rush through their brushing routine and miss the same spots. Be sure to check their tongue for any discolorations and also look up underneath the lip right at the gum line. These are areas that are frequently missed by older kids. Be sure to make them committed to doing the brushing routine for 2 minutes. Set a timer, check them when they're done, and if for some reason they haven't gotten all the areas of the mouth, make them do the 2 minutes all over again. If you have any questions or particular challenges, reach out to me at the link below. I'm not only here to answer questions about our Brilliant products, but oral care in general.
Wagner, the leader in electronics for everyday life.
This product link is in description below.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.
Thanks for watching.